Show me what's in your pocket right now. The pressure kept growing.
Today, I'm going to show you a channel that is earning millions, around $150,000 to $2.4 million in just 1 month. Yes, that's absolutely real. The channel's name is Vyram. It has around 1.39 million subscribers. If you look at the views on their videos, they are incredible. 15 million views, 5.5 million views, 8.8 million views, and even 39 million views. Almost every video gets millions of views. There are hardly any videos with low views. The content on this channel is very simple but powerful. For example, they create emotional and dramatic scenes, like a thief stealing something, or situations that trigger strong emotions. These are emotional storytelling videos that attract a huge audience. The best part is, you can also create the same type of videos easily. This channel is monetized, and if you check its stats on Social Blade, you can see that its estimated monthly earnings range from $150,000 to $2.4 million. You can also create similar emotional, high viral videos. And the best thing is, you can do it for free using a new AI tool. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe and like the videos. Now, let's start and learn how you can create these amazing high-quality videos step by step. So, first of all, what you have to do is I will give you a prompt. You just have to copy that prompt. Copy the entire prompt carefully. Don't write anything extra or make any changes. After that, open ChatGPT and paste the exact prompt I gave you. As soon as you submit it, ChatGPT will automatically understand and adjust the prompt, and within a few moments it will generate everything for you scene by scene in a proper structured format. You'll notice that it creates things like Prompt 1, Prompt 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5, Scene 6, 7, 8, and in total, you will get 10 complete scenes. Using these 10 scenes, you can easily create one full video with proper storytelling, flow, and visuals. Now the main question is, if we can create one video from 10 scenes, then how can we create more videos using different ideas? That's actually a very important and smart question. So for that, I'm going to explain a second method. With this method, you can create unlimited videos based on your own ideas and creativity. What you need to do is, again, open ChatGPT, copy your full prompt and paste it. After pasting, simply write, "Give me 20 plus ideas." ChatGPT will analyze your original prompt deeply and then generate the top 20 ideas related to it. If you want more, you can write 30, 40, 50, even 70. It completely depends on you how many ideas you want. This means you're not limited at all. You can generate as many ideas as you want and keep creating new videos continuously. Now suppose ChatGPT gives you a list of 25 ideas. If you want to select any specific one, you just need to type its number. For example, if you type 5, ChatGPT will pick the 5th idea from the list and instantly generate 10 detailed scenes for that specific idea. This makes the whole process very simple and fast. You don't need to think too much, just pick a number and your full video structure will be ready. In this way, you can select any idea from the list again and again and keep generating new scenes. That's how you can create unlimited videos without running out of content. Also, you can experiment with different niches, emotions, and storytelling styles by slightly modifying your original prompt. This will help you create more engaging and unique videos. Now, the next step is learning how to create background music, voiceovers, and full videos for free, which I will explain next. Make sure you like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next part. At this stage, your prompts are fully ready. You just need to save them properly so you can reuse them anytime and speed up your workflow. Now, voice and background music are very important for any video. Whenever you want to create a video, background music plays a key role. If you want to add background music, you should open YouTube. After that, go to the audio library and click on it. There you will find unlimited background music tracks. You can choose any music according to your preference. It's very easy. Just click on play and keep checking different tracks. listen to them one by one and see which one suits your video best. Once you find the right music, simply download it. So, your background music is now ready. Now the main topic is how to create AI videos for free. Now, to create AI videos for free, the website we will use is Google Workspace. First, open it and log in. After signing in, connect your Gmail account. Once your Gmail is connected, you will see a dashboard with multiple options like slides, record, upload, etc. Here, you need to click on VO 3.1, New. After that, click on Generate or Get Started. When you click on it, a screen may appear showing a paid version. Don't worry about that. You don't need to pay. Just close or skip that pop-up. It might also show a message about limited minutes. Simply go back and open it again. After that, it will load properly. Now, what you need to do is copy the prompt from ChatGPT. For example, copy your Scene 1 prompt and paste it here. As soon as you paste the prompt, the video generation will start. It may take a little time, but not too long. Your video will be created automatically. Now, the most important part is video editing. Editing is a key step. For example, if your scene includes something like a thief entering and stealing something, you need to properly adjust and arrange the scenes to make the video look smooth and engaging. Once your first video is ready, you can copy the next prompt, Scene 2, and paste it. In this way, step by step, all your videos will be generated. Just keep copying and pasting each scene prompt and your videos will continue to be created one by one. You can create many videos for free using one email account. If needed, you can even use multiple Gmail accounts. After generating all videos, you can save them. Simply press Ctrl+S and save them as video files. Finally, for editing the video, I will use CapCut. It is a very good software for video editing. Here, I will add my video. CapCut is easy to use, free, and packed with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. In this way, I will edit my video, apply different effects, and complete my final video. As you can see, my video is now ready. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to the video, feel free to message or comment. I will definitely reply. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will bring another method for you. Thanks for watching.
He froze in the middle of the day. Show me what's in your pocket right now. The pressure kept growing. The pressure kept growing.